All right, guys, what's going on? We back down here in Columbus, Georgia. Stripers are running, skipjack are running, hybrids are running. Got Pop with me on board, so I'm hoping that we can catch a few of these skipjack real quick and I don't know, go anchor up and see if we can catch a catfish, a striper, or a hybrid. Who knows? But a little bit cloudy today. Should be a good day though. Raheem, that's right. I saw Raheem down here last year, but I pulled up the other day. He done caught him a ditch pickle. So I'm gonna try to find some skipjack, buddy. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. I'm not turning the trolling motor on until I see your stuff.
I got a fish already.
I think you got a trolling motor.
No, I got a fish.
Oh, pull him in. That's a white bass. Pull him in. You got two. You got two. Pull him in. Pull him in. Pull him in. Pull him in. You got two. Flip him. You got three. Pull them all in. Pull them all in. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Nice, dude. Is that a white bass and a skipjack?
All three of them white bass.
Heck yeah.
Got another one.
Those skipjacks kind of go like a little machine gun. Got it. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All these things only run once a year, and they are here, and that's a dandy. Catfish candy. I caught one about twice that big last time I was here, Pop. He pulled like a hybrid. Hey, baby, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Pick him up. Oh, you got two. Pick him up, straight up. Yeah, you got one of them. Nice, that's a good one. Ow.
Boy, he doesn't hook good, the other not so much. Wait a minute, he swallowed one.
Nice, dude.
I went there for a second.
Yeah, you did.
Did these things show up on your screen at all?
Do what?
I said, did they show up on the screen at all?
I think I see him over there.
I got a lump of.
Oh, yeah.
I got a gun.
You better boat flip him.
He took some drag. I'm gonna get him.
That's a baby. That's a baby. Oh, he ain't that bad. He ain't that bad at all.
I'm gonna give him a fling. You ready?
Give it a shot.
Ah, not far enough.
Almost. You want one of these skipjack? You want a skipjack for bait? You got something to put it on? Okay.
I'll get you over here to the side.
Go forward, Dad. Forward, please. Let me get a little closer. You don't want to drop it. You got it?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Good luck.
What y'all do?
We just caught some skipjack and white bass. We finna go try to catch some whatever, eat them. Hope so.
Yes, sir.
That'd be awesome. That would be awesome, man.
Hey, I used to enjoy it, man. I used to come out here late on night, Sunday night, man, when strikes running. I used to catch them like this, man.
Yeah, they running right now.
Man, catch a crappie on the side of that dock right here.
Yeah.
Put the whole crap out there. Yep, you.
I love it.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a couple, man.
See you, buddy.
Hey, what you doing?
What's up, buddy?
You're out here somewhere.
I thought that might be you.
Don't get back here. I had to come up.
I caught a few now. I'm gonna come up here and see if I can't play with the hybrids now. Yeah, we got, I don't know, we got about 10 or so in a hurry. Let's watch my buddy Justin land him one.
They playing the rod dance right now.
Got to get you one of those Uncle Flatheads, baby.
I want one heavy setup. Case.
You need it in this current here.
Oh, I didn't try to get that big. I'm trying to drop his.
Look like you got a catfish. Nice.
Beat that, ain't
Mm-hmm. There you go. Save him for next weekend.
Might have to.
All right, guys, so we are idling up through the rocks in uptown Columbus where the rapids are. A couple of whitewater rafters around here, but there is a ton of fish in this area. We had rods in for about 5 seconds before this happened. Get him, baby. Get him, baby. Get him, baby.
Good.
When you put an 8-ounce weight and a lot of current, it makes them little bitty ones fun, don't it?
Well, I could have done that.
Well, that's what I was thinking you was gonna do. I got some pliers right here. You hooked him in the bottom of the.
Maybe 4 pounds if we're lucky.
If he had lunch, maybe 4.
We put that weight in and he will.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Off he goes.
That monster! He's running like crazy! Oh!
Okay, come on, Billy.
Oh, that's a pretty long one right there, isn't it?
That's a striper.
Pretty long one.
Oh, come catch the fish with the drain rod. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Got him. I think you got him. Well, I was getting ready to make a move. I'm glad I didn't, huh? We're taking drive, baby. Oh, yeah, we got us some fish, y'all. Fish on. Well, oh, Lord, he's tangling him up. Oh, he just got. I got to put y'all down. Hang on, let me put y'all down. He is tangling us up. Good. I think we finally found the real deal, y'all. But I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Fish on. Think I'm gonna need the net. I'm gonna laugh when it's about a 5-pound hybrid. I see him digging, baby. That was excellent.
That was a good one. Need some help?
Give a little bit of slag on my.
You get some fine with him.
Good night, bro.
It's about 30 pounds, kid.
Good night. Woo! He caught a good one, y'all. Check that out right there. His belly is huge. Hang on, bro. Put those up. Let's get Cook out of it. He put those up. He caught a toad. I'm gonna get the scales out. Let's check this thing out. Big old striper. Big old striper. Look at that belly.
Jokers. What time was that? Thing there, foot five.
That's a bigger one. 25-pound striper, y'all.
Yeah, that joker was ticking. I thought he took more drag than he did, though, be honest with you. Bigger that joker was. He okay?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna give him time. His dorsal fin's up, so
Yeah.
when that dorsal fin kicks up, he's gonna be all right. But man, what a perfect ending to a great day.
Amen.
He's biting my finger pretty hard now, so I think he's gonna be ready. What a fish, y'all. Check out that big old joker right there. 27 inches girth, 37 inches long. No, 26 inches girth, 37 inches long. All right, buddy.
There you go. He can get down to the depth. Good one. Good one.